In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your videos with social media icons using CapCut. This process is great for creating a professional look and directing viewers to your social media profiles. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to gather the overlay images you'll be using. These can include icons for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, or any other platforms you're active on. You can find these icons online in various styles, so choose ones that match the aesthetic of your video. Once you've downloaded those images, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's import these icon images into CapCut. Open up CapCut and load your video project. Once there, you'll want to bring in those downloaded images by dragging them above your video clip in the timeline. This will ensure the icons overlay on top of your video, making them visible to your audience. With the icons imported, it's time to adjust their size and position them on the screen. In CapCut's preview window, click on each icon to resize them to your liking. You want them to be noticeable, but not overpowering. Next, place them in a position that's visually appealing and consistent throughout your video. A common placement is near the corners or along the bottom. Just make sure the placement doesn't distract from the main content of your video. After positioning the icons, you'll want to guide your audience by adding text next to each one. This text is typically your handle or username for each platform. By doing this, viewers know exactly where to find you. You can easily add text in CapCut by selecting the text tool. Then, type in your handle and place it next to the corresponding icon. Be mindful of the font style and size to ensure readability, even on smaller screens. To make your icons and text appear more dynamically, we'll add some animation. CapCut offers several animation options, and for this, you might want to use either a fade-in or slide animation. With these animations, your icons and text will smoothly come onto the screen, grabbing the viewer's attention without being too flashy. Simply click on the icon in the timeline, and you'll find animation options. Choose the one that best suits your video's style and add it. And there you have it. You've successfully added social media icons with text to your video using CapCut, helping you connect with your audience across multiple platforms. This subtle touch not only professionalizes your video, but also encourages your viewers to follow you elsewhere. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!